on the next ones.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, that's fine.
Can we get some positivity and encouragement, chat? Let's go team. Let's go team.
I'll do first. Fuck.
What the fuck?
He's a mage and he's got ice block, and he still decides to ram it into the raid.
— 75, 74,
I
73,
believe.
72.
Stop DPS, press escape. Push. Key will need a pull.
Four, three, two, one.
Ranged on range, melee on melee. Touch the floor. Touch the floor again. Impales to the right. Get ready for pull-in to the mirror.
Impaled stay.
Get ready for the cast. Go back through, impulse stay. Range push away from melee. Kill the ad on the right. Touch the floor. Twice.
Dodge the floor.
Impales. Melee ads. Give the melee space. Dodge the floor. Dodge the floor. So you can accept the res quickly. Buff Seeker up. Transition to phase 3. Get ready for knockback.
Beware.
Soak, 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 soak.
I got DC
Soak,
from the
soak, soak,
knockback.
soak.
Heroism. Kill the next ad. Health stones. Dodge the floor. Knock back.
Boss to the corner.
Four, three,
Swap tanks. 6 stacks.
1.
Beware.
Everyone's alive. Full HP. Move to the next rapid location. Everyone pull into the boss.
Beware.
Knock back. Pull them in as close as you can. Everybody soak now.
Beware. Beware.
Soak and ravage. Pull into the boss.
Beware.
This actually looks clean.
Roar, pull us out. Pull all the way to the far side. Soaks. Health stones, anything you've got left in terms of saving yourself.
2, 1.
Beware.
Knock back. Ravage knock back into the end last zone.
Soaks,
Pull it
soaks.
into the corner. Soaks, you can't soak in ice block. I'm roaring.
Soak, 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 soak.
Heals up. Drag him to the corner. Knock back. Soaks. Pull them in.
Beware.
Moria. Soaks.
Beware.
Keep tanks up. Knock back.
Let's go, boys. Soak, soak, soak.
Push the boss. Soaks again. Pull them in.
Don't get greedy.
Roar. Whatever. Soak, 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 soak.
Beware.
4,
Knock back.
3,
Go.
2, 1.
Beware.
Nice, guys.
Oh, go. Yeah. Finally.
Nice, guys. GG.
Fine, that fucking lead.
Go well.
Gonna put a crab rave in the fucking chat.
I know,
Now I
this
can get
is the, I know this is the wrong time to ask, but is anyone in Kazakh ever guild, you know, to have me? Bedanks, please. I don't have a guild.
Say it again.
I'm claiming the IG off of
I'm
that
Bedanks,
one
but
with the
I'm
LOL.
Kazakh, but I don't really have a guild.
Oh, fuck! Oh, God, yes. Oh, that helmet.
Holy shit, I have 184. Dude, this is
I got
Great.
the pummel. Oh joys.
Oh boy.
Agreed, we want full credit.
Nice.
Oh boy.
Congrats, man.
Wow,
Hey,
insane.
the fuck?
Congrats everyone, man. How much loot did we get?
Times this useless
Two
head.
headpieces. 2 plate headpieces.
Is this fucking real life useless shit out
Yeah,
there?
got the
Oh my god, that's an awesome finger piece.
36 item level upgrade.
Shit.
Fucking
Celebrated
it.
too early. Oh.
Congrats on the Poggers Cryinchat, man. You really deserve it. Massive DPS from you, mate. Congrats, lady boy, on the vessel, man. That's
Soak,
fucking
soak,
awesome.
soak, 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 soak. Oh
Oh,
shit,
thanks,
I'm
man.
too late, never mind.
Thanks for the possibility.
Yummy anima.
Oh,
Thanks, Taro, for the sub, dude. Appreciate it.
Soak some water, Mr. Streamer.
Right. All of you, go grab some fucking sleep.
That's too. Oh, too late.
Can
Nice.
we stop soaking that daddy?
Yeah, I'll sleep like a baby now.
Oh shit.
Yo, Poggers, we have been twice nights in a row sitting up all night trying to get this fucking boss.
Ah, you've done it now, so
Yeah,
that's it. You don't
I
have
don't
to
wanna-
do anything for the rest of the week. Just chill.
I don't wanna do this anymore.
Wait until you wake up tomorrow, man. Just wait until next week, bro.
I'm gonna wait until next raid or something. I don't care.
Yeah, I would take it easy. Yeah, I was live logging. I'll post it. It's in general chat, I think, or in logs. There's a channel called Warcraft Logs that should be there.
Yeah.
Type 1 for a 24-hour stream.
Oh.
One.
Yeah. No chance.
Damn. 94. Nice.
111.
Alright, GG's everyone. I'm gonna chill out and go to bed.
Thanks, man.
11111. 111.
Have a nice night.
Thank you guys. Have a good night.
Yeah, good night.
Poggers normal raid was on Friday or when?
The community has spoken. You have 17 hours remaining. When I wake up, you better still be live cack.
When I wake up. So I'm just gonna sit here by myself and just stare at a screen. No chance. I'd do a subathon. I'll do that at some point. Like, I'd do half an hour for every sub until the subs run out. How about that? I could do that on Saturday. It's dead, Nico. We just killed it.
Curve is my greatest accomplishment. Do a sleep stream, daddy.
Hey, Poggers.
Yo, what's up, Donka?
Play this link, please.
When I wake up, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who wakes up next to you. When I go out, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you.
We will see a evolve. When do we have a set goal about the actual club count?
Kate kills you have been on this raid? Where has she been?
She was the priest.
Yeah, real?
Mm-hmm.